Welcome to Verandah by Richard Demeshi. Today I want to walk you through how I use AI in my workflow as an architectural designer. Recently, a client reached out to me to modernize a set of plans that were originally done by a draftsman in Jamaica. And I have to say, the original design was beautifully thought out. The lot was narrow, but the placement on site was handled with real intention and care. What stood out to me the most was that the entire project was done by hand. The penmanship, the line work, the composition, it had a level of craftsmanship that you don't see as often today. That's something I genuinely respect. So, here's how I approached the workflow. First, I had the plans scanned and converted into a PDF. From there, I brought them into SketchUp, scaled them accurately, and began tracing over the original design. At this stage, I already had a conceptual direction in mind based on conversations with the client about their vision. For me, good design is always a balance, a push and pull between interior spaces and exterior architectural expression. In this video, I'm focusing specifically on the exterior changes. We made a significant move at the front of the house. The original master suite was reconfigured into a one-car garage, and we introduced a new stair that leads to a second level, which I'll be designing next. From there, the focus shifted to the massing, how the volumes come together to create a cohesive front elevation. The partially wrapped veranda was redesigned with a parapet roof. This adds a stronger vertical element and helps frame the main entrance, giving the home a more intentional and modern presence. We also had discussions around the roof form. Given the increasing frequency of hurricanes in the Caribbean, the client is considering alternatives to a traditional pitched roof. That's a decision we'll finalize as we continue to evaluate performance, aesthetics, and long-term resilience. Now, let's talk about AI. AI isn't here to replace what we do, it's here to enhance it. In this case, I used AI to quickly generate photorealistic renders and animations that capture the potential look and feel of the final design. This allows the client to connect with the project on a deeper level early on. Because at the end of the day, clients respond best when they can see the vision, not just imagine it. And that's where AI becomes a powerful tool in the design process.